Hello, fellow shoppers. Let me show you the new VIPEK R2 Plus Heavy Duty Rolling Garment Rack, which is engineered with carbon steel to ensure durability and elegance. In the box, you get all the parts, tools that you need ready to be put together, and I love how nicely everything is labeled for easy installation. Here we're just using it for a yard sale at a neighbor's house, but it can be used in a room or even a closet. It holds everything from heavy coat to everyday outfits, and the rolling wheels make it super easy to move around when you're organizing. Also, it has dual hanging rods. This is the bottom one that I'm installing, providing ample space for hanging a large number of clothes. The middle wire shelf can be adjusted downward, so the upper rod can accommodate long garments such as coats and dresses. It is nicely designed with this double-sided hook, which allows to hang clothes, bags, scarves, and accessories on both sides for maximum versatility. Another amazing feature are the firm wire shelves that have great weight capacity to hold a lot of items without bending, and it supports 400 pounds when it's static, so that's without the wheels on, and about 300 pounds if it's on the wheels and moving. Also, you get this tool to install the wheels on the bottom of the rack. And these are the upgraded 360 silent smooth casters, which provide ultra quiet movement and effortless gliding. And these two here are the lockable ones, which provide stability. So I think that is a great feature. And you can see on here when they're on and off. So if you have them installed on your rack, you can have it really nice and stable. What I love most is the adjustability. You can raise and lower the shelves and rods to fit long dresses or keep it compact for shirts and pants. I'd recommend this rack to anyone who needs extra storage space, whether you live in an apartment, need a dorm solution, or just want to reorganize a guest room or closet overflow, or even look, in this case, for a yard sale outside. So thank you to the seller for sending this to me. I hope you check it out.